In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a part with a key press in Roblox Studio. Open Roblox Studio right away and load your place. Start by adding a part from the Model tab. This will be the object you control from the keyboard. In the Explorer, select that part and rename it to Movable Part so it's easy to reference later. Clear names matter when you start scripting and testing. Next, in the Explorer, expand Starter Player. Then select Starter Player Scripts. This is where you'll place a local script, so the player's keyboard input is handled on the client. Insert a new local script there. The purpose of this script is simple. Detect when a key is pressed and released, and tell the movable part to move accordingly. Inside your local script, get a reference to the part using something like workspace. Wait for child, movable part. So the script waits until the part exists. Then set up key detection. Use userinputservice to listen for input began and input ended. On input began, check that the input is a keyboard key and that the user isn't typing in a text box. Then look for the specific key code you want, for example F or left shift. On input ended, listen for the same key so you can stop the movement cleanly. When the key is pressed, apply movement to the part. You can update its position or cframe to nudge it forward, up, or sideways, whatever direction you want. Small increments per press will keep it smooth. If you plan to move it continuously while the key is held, track a pressed state and update the part on a short loop or per frame. One important tip: if the part is anchored, it won't move when you change its position. Unanchor it if you want physical movement, or leave it anchored and adjust C-frame for precise, non-physics motion. Make sure the keys you choose don't conflict with other controls. Avoid common movement keys like W, A, S, and D, as well as chat or system keys. If you need to prioritize your binding, consider using Roblox's input binding features so your action doesn't interfere with the default controls during testing. Now press play to test in play mode. Hold and release your chosen key to confirm the part moves and stops as expected. If nothing happens, verify the part name matches exactly. The script sits in Starter Player Scripts, and your chosen key is correctly checked in Input Began and Input Ended. When everything works, you're done.